Hi everyone. I'm just going through part two of the worksheet on the assessment I gave you. So follow the yellow disc, the yellow circle, and number four. So in number four, you'll have to ask the teacher some questions. For example, are you from Ireland? And of course, the answer would be yes, I am. So let's go down to the box here and look at some of the kinds of questions that you can ask. So there's a be verb question. Now, be verb always looks like are, is, and am in the present tense. So asking in the present tense, are you married? Are you married? Answer is yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Now we have a do question. A do question is used when you have another verb. Do is a helping verb, actually. So the verb is have. So, do you have any children? Now the answer is yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Because I asked a do question. Do question, yes, I do. No, I don't. A be question, are you married? Yes, I am. But is he married? Then yes, he is. Is she married? Yes, she is. Right. Now we have WH questions. WH questions can be any one of these: who, what, where, and when, why, and how. These are not, the answers to these questions are not yes and no. They are open-ended. The answer could be any answer. For example, WH question. What? What is your mother's name? For me, her name is Alice. My mother's name is Alice. Now let's ask a who question. Who means what person? Who is your teacher? I can say, her name is Jenny, or his name is Donald. Now let's ask a where question. Where means what place. Where do you live? I live in Point Cook. If you were asked in Melbourne. For me, I live in Truganina. For many in my class, where do they live? They live in Leverton. So let's continue with pronunciation. Now, you will be asked to say you don't understand. If you don't understand, use the phrases below for anything you don't understand. Now, they all have the same meaning. For example, is Huangshan a beautiful mountain? What does that mean? Sorry, I don't understand. Or sorry. Or number three, you could say that again, please. Say that again, please. Or say again. Say again. Good. Now let's go to number 5. If I want to be sure what you said, if you say, I love Huangshan, I love Huang Mountain, I would say, do you mean you like Huangshan? Do you mean you like Huang Mountain? And then the student can say, yes, I do. Good, good, good. Now, polite words can be used, like please, thank you, excuse me. Can you say that again, please? For example, a little boy, Regan, says, I want a dumpling. This is a boy asking his mother. It's familiar language, not polite, but it's okay. But the mother says, or Wally, the mother says, can you give me a dumpling, please? Or may I have a dumpling? Or I'd like a dumpling. This is when mother is talking with another adult, another grown-up person. Polite language, polite English. All right, so some pronunciation for you, and we'll assess during the week. Any questions, ask your teacher, ask me, Jenny, or Jenny. Thank you very much. Bye for now.